Hi students, today we are going to see a sum trigonometric identities, right? Already we have completed two sums, right? In the two sums we have discussed so many subdivisions, right? Now sum number 3, prove that the same thing, right? We have to prove that LHS is equal to RHS or RHS is equal to LHS, like that, right? Sum 3, prove that subdivision number 1, sec theta minus tan theta divided by sec theta plus tan theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sec theta tan theta plus 2 tan square theta, right? So we are having LHS and we are having RHS. So whether we can take LHS and we can bring the RHS, otherwise we can take RHS and we have to bring the LHS, right? See, the RHS we are having three terms, right? We are having three terms. We have to bring the LHS. But see, LHS, it is not in the form of a single term. It's single term, but it is in the form of fraction. Suppose if it is not in the form of fraction, it will be very easy to bring, right? If it is easy to bring, so better you can take the LHS, right? Better you can take the LHS and you can bring the RHS. It is possible because see how it will be. The LHS is nothing but sec theta minus tan theta divided by sec theta plus tan theta, right? So I told you that single term, fraction. In the denominator we are having two terms, means rationalize the denominator, right? Rationalize the denominator. So while we are multiplying by sec theta plus tan theta by both numerator and denominator, we will get, in the numerator we will get sec theta minus tan theta the whole square, a minus b the whole square. While we are expanding the a minus b the whole square, how many terms we will get it? Three terms, right? A square plus b square minus 2ab. So while we are solving, we are having a possible to get the RHS, right? So that's why I ask you to choose LHS and ask you to bring the RHS, right? So first you have to think whether we have to take the LHS and whether we have to simplify. First we have to convert the sec and tan in terms of sine and cos, or directly we want to solve. First we have to analyze, right? See the RHS. See RHS, all the terms are nothing but sec theta, tan theta, tan square theta. So all are nothing but it is in the term of sec and tan. So better you can keep as it is, right? Better you can keep as it is. Suppose if you are needed, right? If you are feeling that while you are solving in terms of sine and cos is easy, you can convert to sine and cos and you can simplify. You will get the same answer only, right? Finally, once again you want to, after finally you will find in terms of sine and cos. Once again you have to convert the sine and cos in terms of sec and tan, because the RHS is nothing but in terms of sec and tan, right? So you can take the first sum as a homework, right? First sum as a homework, taking LHS and bringing the RHS. Which method you are going to apply? Rationalize the denominator method, right? Rationalize the denominator method, right? Subdivision number 2, 1 plus sine A into 1 minus sine A into 1 plus tan square A is equal to 1, right? So we can't take RHS and we can't bring the LHS, right? So we have to take LHS and we have to bring the RHS, right? So see the LHS, how it will be only one term but three elements. All the three are nothing but in terms of factors, multiples, right? All the three are in terms of multiples. So one by one we want to multiply and we have to solve it. See, 1 plus A into 1 minus sine A. 1 plus sine A into 1 minus sine A. How it will be? How it will be? A plus B into A minus B, right? A plus B into A minus B. So it is nothing but A square minus B square. What is A? 1. What is B? Sine A. So 1 minus sine square A, right? 1 minus sine square A. What is 1 minus sine square A? Cos square A, right? 1 minus sine square A is equal to cos square A. So while we are simplifying, while we are multiplying these two, we will get only one thing, that is nothing but cos square A, right? And here 1 plus tan square A. What is 1 plus tan square A? Already we have discussed the formula, identity. 1 plus tan square A is equal to 1 plus tan square A is equal to 6 square A. So cos square A into 6 square A, right? Cos square A into 6 square A. While we are simplifying, see, 6 square we can convert in terms of cos, right? So 1 by cos square A. Cos square A will get cancelled. So final answer will get 1, right? Second subdivision also you can take it as a homework. Third subdivision, tan theta minus cot theta divided by sin theta into cos theta is equal to tan square theta minus cot square theta, tan square theta minus cot square theta. So see that we are having RHS, we are having two terms, LHS only one term, but there are only one term, but how it will be, in the numerator it is nothing but in terms of tan cot, denominator it is in terms of sin cos, right? Somewhat so it's not in the right manner, right? While we are seeing that time itself you have to come to the conclusion, right? So see, LHS we are having two terms, at the same time RHS we are having two terms, right? So whether you can take RHS and shall we bring LHS, otherwise you can take LHS and we can bring the RHS, right? We are having both the ways, right? So now I am going to solve by I am going to solve both the methods, right? So solution, right? First I am taking the RHS and going to bring the LHS, because here only two terms. I told you that whenever we are having two terms, that only it will be very easy to bring the LHS or RHS, right? Whenever we are having two terms, we can easily bring to the one term. We can bring it to the single term, right? It will be very easy. While simplifying, it will become single term, right? Okay, I am just taking the RHS. RHS is equal to tan square theta minus cot square theta, right? Tan square theta minus cot square theta, tan square theta minus cot square theta. So how you are going to simplify? Whether you are going to convert in terms of sin cos or some other thing. See, we can convert in terms of sin and cos, but before that, see how it will be. Tan square theta minus cot square theta, right? Tan square theta minus cot square theta. So tan square theta minus cot square theta is nothing but a square minus b square. I told you that in this chapter that algebraic identity is very important, right? Wherever it is needed, we have to apply, right? That's why I ask you to thorough while we introduce this concept. That time itself I told you that this is very important. So please thorough that, right? So a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b, right? A plus b into a minus b. Here a is something but tan square theta, b is something but cot square theta. So a equal tan, b equal to cot. So I am just going to elaborate a plus b into a minus b. It is something but tan theta plus cot theta, right? A plus b into a minus b, tan theta minus cot theta, right? Tan theta minus cot theta. So whenever we are simplifying, we have to check whether we have find a LHS or not. We have to check. Still what is missing. So what we want to do, that we have to always compare, right? We have to always compare. So here see that the numerator, what is that? Tan theta minus cot theta is there. Here also tan theta minus cot theta is there, but the extra tan theta plus cot theta and sin theta cos theta is missing. So you can keep the tan theta minus cot theta as it is. Only you can just simplify this tan theta plus cot theta alone, right? Why? Because this is extra, right? Still we are needed sin theta by cos theta by sin theta cos theta. So I am going to simplify this tan theta and cot theta alone. This tan theta plus cot theta alone. So how we are going to simplify? So what we are needed? We are needed in terms of sin cos. So I am going to convert this tan theta plus cot theta in terms of sin and cos. So tan theta is nothing but sin theta divided by cos theta plus cot theta is nothing but cos theta divided by sin theta, right? Into, you can keep this tan theta minus cot theta as it is. Tan theta minus cot theta. Tan theta minus cot theta. Just simplify this one alone. Fraction, right? So sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta, right? Sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta plus cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta, right? Cos square theta divided by sin theta into cos theta or cos theta into sin theta, right? Close the bracket into tan theta minus cot theta. Tan theta minus cot theta. Already we know that identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, right? We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta. What is sin square theta plus cos square theta? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So instead of this sin square theta plus cos square theta, so I substitute 1. So it is equal to 1 into, right? 1 by cos theta sin theta, right? 1 by cos theta sin theta into tan theta minus cot theta, right? Just multiply numerator 1 into tan theta minus cot theta divided by cos theta into sin theta or sin theta into cos theta. So what we want to prove? What we want to prove that LHS is nothing but tan theta minus cot theta divided by sin theta cos theta. Same thing. Tan theta minus cot theta divided by sin theta into cos theta. So LHS, right? Now once again what I am going to do, I told you that I am just taking the LHS and I am going to bring the RHS, right? So see, this is enough, but I am just explaining. See, if you are taking LHS, then it is possible for bringing the RHS also, right? Just I am checking, right? So here LHS is equal to, what is LHS? LHS is equal to tan theta minus cot theta, right? Tan theta minus cot theta divided by sin theta into cos theta, right? Tan theta minus cot theta divided by sin theta into cos theta, right? How we are going to simplify? See, if the denominator is something bad in terms of two terms means, then we can go with the rationalized denominator. But here see only one term, sin theta into cos theta, only one term. So we can't, right? So better which method is only applicable? Only applicable is something bad. Tan and cot writing in terms of sin cos. Then we will get in terms of fraction by doing the cross multiply. Then we will get a simplification. So I'm just going to simply convert this tan theta and cot theta in terms of sin and cos. So tan theta is something but sin theta divided by cos theta, right? And cot theta is something but cos theta divided by sin theta, right? Cos theta divided by sin theta. So instead of tan theta, what I am going to write? Sin theta divided by cos theta minus cos theta divided by sin theta whole divided by sin theta into cos theta. Right? So just do the cross multiply. Sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta minus cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta divided by sin theta cos theta. Right? So sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta minus cos square theta divided by cos theta, sin theta into cos theta, cos theta into sin theta, whatever it may be, whole divided by sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta into cos theta, right? So see that the fraction it is in the numerator sin square theta minus cos square theta divided by sin theta cos theta, denominator sin theta cos theta by 1, right? So I'm just taking this denominator to the numerator, it will become reciprocal, right? When you are taking the numerator, it will become reciprocal. So sin theta divided by cos theta by 1 become 1 by sin theta divided by cos theta, right? Just multiply sin square theta minus cos square theta into 1, sin square theta minus cos square theta whole divided by, right, sin theta cos theta into sin theta cos theta, sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta, right, sin square theta cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta, right, sin square theta into cos square theta. Then any other possible to simplify? How we want to see what we want to get? What is the RHS? I told you that tan square theta minus cot square theta, tan square theta minus cot square theta, that only we want to bring, right? So how we are going to bring? Here it is something that we are having in terms of sin square theta minus cos square theta whole divided by sin square theta into cos square theta. How we are going to bring this tan square theta minus cot square theta? See, very simple. The numerator we are having two terms. See what we want to bring? We have to bring two terms. RHS is nothing but two terms, tan square theta minus cot square theta. So I am just in the numerator we are having two terms. So what I am going to do means this sin square theta cos square theta, this denominator is common for both the two terms, right? So I am going to split up and I am going to simplify whether we are getting RHS or not. I am going to check, right? So sin square theta divided by sin square theta into cos square theta, right, minus cos square theta divided by sin square theta into cos square theta, right? Understood? So sin square theta minus cos square theta whole divided by sin square theta into cos square theta. I'm just splitting, right? So simplify sin square theta will get cancelled. So remaining is nothing but 1 by cos square theta, right? 1 by cos square theta minus cos square theta will get cancelled. 1 by sin square theta, right? 1 by sin square theta, right? So now see what we are needed, tan and cot, but here we are having cos and sin. But we can change this cos and sin in terms of sec and cosec. Why I am changing in terms of sec and cosec means if you are changing in terms of sec and cosec, it is a square format, right? So sec square theta we can change in terms of tan square. Cosec square theta we can change in terms of cot square, right? So that's why I'm just converting this cos and sin in terms of sec and cosec. After converting sec and cosec, once again we are having a chance for changing in terms of tan and cot, right? So 1 by cos square theta is equal to, what is 1 by cos square theta? 1 by cos theta is equal to, what is it? Sec theta, right? So cos square theta, 1 by cos square theta equal to sec square theta. Same like that, 1 by sin is equal to cosec theta, right? So 1 by sin square theta equal to cosec square theta. So 1 by cosec square is equal, 1 by cos square equal to sec square theta. Sec square theta minus 1 by sin square theta. What is sin square? 1 by sin. Cosec square. Cosec square theta. But what we want to prove that tan square theta minus cot square theta. So whether still we know the formula, right? We are having possible for converting sec in terms of tan. Sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. We know that, right? Identity square, right? Trigonometric identity. Sec square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. and cosec square theta is equal to, right, cosec square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta. So instead of sec square theta, what I am going to substitute? 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta minus 1, instead of cosec square theta, 1 plus cot square theta. Put a bracket, 1 plus cot square theta, right? Just multiply by minus 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 minus cot square theta, right? Minus 1 minus cot square theta plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. Remaining is something but tan square theta minus cot square theta is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS, right? So see, I told you that we are having a plenty of way, right? We are having a so many ways to find. See, I'm using this method. I'm using this method like taking a cross multiplier, applying square identity, like this. We are having still we are having so many ways, right? We are having so many ways to bring this this final answer, right? Sum number 4, prove that sec power 6 theta, right? Sec power 6 theta is equal to tan power 6 theta plus 3 tan square theta into 6 square theta plus 1. Tan power 6 theta plus 3 tan square theta 6 square theta plus 1, right? So before solving this sum, right, we have to know, we want to know a small note. See, if the powers are squares, right, we are having a formula, right, trigonometric identities, right? Suppose sin square theta means we know that sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, right? If the power is square means it will be very easy. If the power is 4, right? If the power is 4 means, right, for example, sin power 4 theta is there. We have to find. How we want to find sin power 4 theta? Very simple. I am going to convert this power 4 in terms of square, in terms of squares. How it will be means sin power 4 theta is something but sin square theta the whole square. Sin square theta the whole square. Power to the power. So 2 into 2, 4, then it will become sin power 4 theta, right? So I am just writing this power 4 in terms of 2 into 2, right? Sin square theta the whole square. How it will be? A square, right? How it will be? Already we know that the sin square theta is equal to, what is sin square theta? Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So sin square theta is nothing but 1 minus cos square theta the whole square. 1 minus cos square theta the whole square. Here how it will be? A minus B the whole square format. So we know the identity a square plus b square minus 2ab. See how we are finding sin power 4 theta. Sin power 4 theta, how I am writing? Sin square theta the whole square. So power to the power, right? Square into square is nothing but 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So sin power 4 theta is nothing but sin square theta the whole square. Suppose tan power 4 theta means how we want to write? Tan power 4 theta is nothing but tan square theta the whole square. Tan square theta the whole square. Tan square theta, what we know, already we know that tan square theta is equal to, what is it? 1 plus 6 square theta, sorry, tan square theta is equal to 6 square theta minus 1 the whole square, right? Likewise we have to elaborate, that is formula. If you know the formula, we can easily, okay, this is, suppose the power is 4 means we are writing like this. Suppose the power is 6, right? The power is 6 means how we want to write? Example, cos power 6 theta, right? Cos power 6 theta. How we are going to expand? This is very simple. Cos power 6 theta is equal to the same thing. Cos square theta the whole cube, right? 2 power 3. 2 power 3. Cos square theta the whole cube. So 2 into 3, 6. Cos power 6 theta, right? Cos 6 theta is nothing but cos power 6 theta is equal to cos 6 theta, not cos power 6 theta is equal to cos square theta the whole cube. How it will be? A cube, right? It is nothing but it is in the form of a cube. Already we know that cos square theta is equal to, what is it? 1 minus sin square theta, right? 1 minus sin square theta the whole cube, right? 1 minus sin square theta the whole cube. How it will be? A minus b the whole cube. Already we know the formula. What is the formula of a minus b the whole cube? A minus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a minus b the whole cube. It is nothing but a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square, right? And this formula, and one more formula also is we are having for a minus b whole cube. A minus b whole cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus b square minus ab, right? And this is one kind of sum, right? While we are seeing the power 4, power 6, right? While we are seeing the power 4, power 6, then don't get confused directly which method, this method, right? Like converting this power 4 in terms of 2 power 2, converting the power 6 means 2 cube, right? 2 power 3, right? Likewise, we have to convert. Suppose the power 8 means, the same thing, 2 power 2, right? Likewise, we have to apply. Understood? Sec power 6 theta is equal to tan power 6 theta plus 3 tan square theta 6 square theta plus 1. I told you that already. Always I am saying that we are having more than one term, that only we have to take, and we have to bring only the single term, right? But see here we are having, I am just taking the LHS and I am going to bring the RHS. Why? Because sec power 6 theta we can write in terms of a plus b the whole cube format, right? A plus b or a minus b whole cube format. Whether we will get in terms of a plus b whole cube or a minus b whole cube. While we are elaborating this a plus b whole cube or a minus b whole cube formula, then we will get the RHS, right? So this is the easy way. So better you can take always this single term here. While we are getting the power 6, right? Power 4 or power 6, then we can go with this one, right? So I'm just taking the LHS. So sec power 6 theta, how I'm going to write? 6 square theta, right? 6 square theta the whole cube. 6 square theta the whole cube, right? Already we know that what is the formula of 6 square theta? We know that 6 square theta is equal to, what is 6 square theta? We know that 6 square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, right? 1 plus tan square theta. So instead of 6 square theta, what I am going to write? 1 plus tan square theta. So 1 plus tan square theta the whole cube, right? 1 plus tan square theta the whole cube, right? How it will be? A plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube. So a plus b whole cube is equal to, what is the formula? A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. 3a square b plus 3ab square. Here a equal to what is it? 1, and b is something but tan square theta, not tan theta, tan square theta. So just to elaborate, so a cube is nothing but 1 cube plus b cube. B is nothing but tan square theta the whole cube, right? Tan square theta the whole cube plus 3 into 1 square into tan square theta plus 3ab square. 3 into 1 into tan square theta the whole square, right? Tan square theta the whole square. So 1 cube is nothing but 1 plus tan square theta the whole cube. So 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Tan 6 theta, right? 1 plus tan power 6 theta plus 3 into 1 square. 3 1 square tan square theta. So 3 tan square theta plus 3 into 1 3 tan square theta the whole square. It is nothing but tan power 4 theta, right? I already told you that we have to compare the RHS. See, one we got it, tan power 6 theta, tan power 6 theta we got it. But still we are having two terms, but here only one term. What is the term? 3 tan square theta into 6 square theta, right? 3 tan square theta into 6 square theta. So better we can take the common term commonly outside and we can simplify, right? So 1 plus tan power 6 theta plus, what is the common term? 3 common, tan square theta, tan square theta. I am just taking commonly outside, 3 tan square theta taking commonly outside. So what is the remaining? 1 plus tan square theta, right? 1 plus tan square theta. Already we know that what is 1 plus tan square theta? 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 6 square theta. So instead of 1 plus tan square theta, we can substitute 6 square theta. So it is equal to 1 plus tan power 6 theta plus 3 tan square theta into 6 square theta, right? 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 6 square theta is equal to RHS. Hence it is. Subdivision number 2, homework sum. You can take it as a homework sum, right? Sin power 4 theta minus cos power 4 theta is equal to sin square theta minus cos square theta. So we are going to take the LHS. So LHS, how it will be? Power 4. I told you that if the power is 4 means how we want to write? Square to the square, right? 2 power 2. So how we are going to write? Sin square theta the whole square minus cos square theta the whole square. How it will be? A square minus b square. So a square minus b square formula, what is it? It is equal to a plus b into a minus b. What is a here? Sin square theta. What is b here? Cos square theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. 1 into sin square theta minus cos square theta. Sin square theta minus cos square theta. So within 3 steps we will get the RHS, right? So you can take it as a homework, right? Still we can see one more example. Subdivision number 3, sin square a divided by cos square a plus cos square a divided by sin square a is equal to 1 by sin square a into cos square a minus 2. So I'm just going to take the LHS and I'm going to bring the RHS, right? So LHS is equal to, right, LHS is equal to sin square a divided by cos square a plus cos square a divided by sin square a. Already it is in the form of fraction. So what we want to do, that cross multiply, right? Simply cross multiply. So sin square a into sin square a, sin power 4a, sin power 4a plus cos square a into cos square a, cos power 4a, right? Cos power 4a divided by, how it will be, cos square a into sin square a, cos square a into sin square a. So we'll see in the RHS, right? Somewhat we got the denominator alone, right? Still we are having numerator alone. How it will be 1 by sin square a into cos square a minus 2, right? So numerator alone we have to simplify. Numerator, how it will be, sin power 4a plus cos power 4a, sin power 4a plus cos power 4a. I told you that sin power 4 means how we want to write. Writing the power in terms of 2 power 2. So it will becomes sin square a the whole square, sin square a the whole square plus cos square a the whole square, right? So 2 into 2 power 4. So sin power 4a. Sin power 4a, how we are writing? Sin square a the whole square plus cos square a the whole square, whole divided by cos square a into sin square a. Cos square a into sin square a. The numerator, how it will be? Sin square a the whole square plus cos square a the whole square. A square plus b square, right? A square plus b square. What is the formula of a square plus b square? A square plus b square is equal to a plus b the whole square minus 2ab, right? A plus b the whole square minus 2ab. Here a is nothing but sin square a. B is nothing but cos square a, right? A square the whole square, right? A square the whole square. Sorry. Sin square a the whole square. That is sin square a is nothing but a. A square cos square a is nothing but b. Cos square a the whole square. That is nothing but b square, right? So a square plus b square equal to a plus b the whole square minus 2ab. So I'm going to apply this formula. So the numerator becomes, what is it? Sin square a plus cos square a the whole square, right? A plus b the whole square. That is a sin square a plus cos square a the whole square minus 2ab. 2 into sin square a into cos square a whole divided by cos square a into sin square a, or sin square a into cos square a, right? Now see that sin square a plus cos square a identity. What is sin square a plus cos square a? Sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. So 1 square. 1 square minus 2 sin square a into cos square a, right? Whole divided by cos square a into sin square a. See the RHS, we are very closer, but what we want to get? We want to get two terms, right? We are needed. So I'm going to split up. It is nothing but 1 by cos square a, right? 1 by cos square a into sin square a minus 2 sin square a into cos square a divided by cos square a into sin square a. Cos square a into sin square a. Simplify. Sin square will get cancelled. Cos square a cancel. So remaining what is it? 1 by cos square a into sin square a minus 2. We got the RHS. Today you are having only 3 sums as homeworks, right? Do the homework sums, and don't forget, you can try all the sums, right? Don't forget to do all the sums in your rough note, right? Try by yourself. If you are having doubt, right, you can call me at any time, no problem, right? If you are having doubt, right, if you are having any doubts, you can call me at any time by morning by 8 to night 8, right? Thank you.